this. All right, in this video we're going to be showing a new install script from James Walmsley, and he's got a fork out on my repo right now, so hopefully this gets merged soon and you'll be able to fully install NVCode very easily. So let me give you a demo of how that's going to work. So how you're going to do this probably in the future is you're just going to have like an install on one command. But what we have right now over on his branch is you can do NVCode upgrade -sh flag G for a global install. So we'll run that. Okay, and you'll press enter here to continue, because what this is doing is it's cloning down Packer NVim, and that's going to be your plugin manager. We'll press enter here, and so now it's just cloning down all of the plugins that we need. Of course, every now and then there'll be like a small error in one of the plugins, but that's not really a big deal. That just means it can't really get it from GitHub or something like that. All right, so you press enter or Q. All right, and then just get out of here. And then what you'll have now globally is you'll have a global command called MV. And so now you open MV, you can see that it's pulling down all of tree setter because I have that set to all and probably shouldn't have it set to all, but it's pulling down all of tree setter, and it basically just works like out of the box. So it took like 2 seconds to install, and you'll basically have everything that you need. Now this script is still kind of a work in progress, but I figured I would just demo it now because, you know, we basically just got it working. All right, so I don't know if the tree sitter grammars and all that kind of stuff and the highlights will be set up right away, but you should really just, let's see, this is for old files. Well, this thing doesn't have any old files. So if we do like, you know, readme, or how about init.lua, you know, we can just open up a file really fast. It looks like it is loading all of the highlights and things like that. So yeah, this is the script we're working on. This kind of came out of the live stream that I did today, so you can probably tune into those things. You can find a lot of my stuff over on, I don't know if I have it here. Here's the live chat from the stream. But yeah, you can, well, you know what? I won't even plug any of my stuff. You can check out James's stuff over here, what he's doing, if you want to see what's going on with that. And make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right.